In this video, I will show you how much Anna's Bushcraft makes money on YouTube 2023. Let's get started. She created his channel since May 27, 2021. She has 398,000 subscribers. Until now, total uploaded 125 videos. And now let's go over Anna's Bushcraft channel analytics. This is statistics views for Anna's Bushcraft channel. Daily views, 93,300 views. Weekly views, 653,000 views. Monthly views, 2,801,000 views. Total views, 107,963,000 views. Next, videos performance on Anna's Bushcraft channel. This is the latest videos for Anna's Bushcraft channel. This video has gotten 113,000 views and 188,000 views. The estimated income on Anna's Bushcraft with the latest videos, $452 and $752 since published on YouTube. And this is the most popular video for Anna's Bushcraft channel. This video has gotten 9,200,000 views since published on YouTube. The estimated income on Anna's Bushcraft with the most popular video, $36,800 since published on YouTube. Now, how much Anna's Bushcraft makes money on YouTube 2023. And this is the estimated income for Anna's Bushcraft channel. Estimated monthly earnings, $11,200. Estimated yearly earnings, $134,500. And the last, the estimated all-time revenue on Anna's Bushcraft channel, $431,852.